Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for my iPhone users and it is to address a specific problem with your iPhone storage. Is your phone storage full again? Maybe you are constantly seeing the notification storage almost full and you are wondering how to fix it. Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to free up storage on your iPhone, manage your iCloud storage effectively and share some tips to avoid running into this issue again. This problem is mostly common for those who are using iPhone storage with less than 128 gig. This is because the average user doesn't need more than 128 gig if you are using your device on a day-to-day basis, unless you are taking a lot of videos or photos or you are a heavy gamer. Unfortunately, Apple does not allow you to use an external SD card, unlike most Android phones out there. If this is the case, then you still need this video to free up storage on your iPhone. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is what's eating up your phone storage.
So to see what is eating up your iPhone storage, you go into settings, and under settings you're going to look for general. Once you open general, you're going to see iPhone storage. Open it and you're going to see a breakdown of all the apps that are using your data. For me, it is Spotify, and the reason why Spotify is the highest is the app that is using the highest amount of storage is because I have downloaded music in the Spotify app. So once I open it, I have the option to delete the app or to offload the app if I intend to install it back again. The next thing to check is also to go into your iCloud storage. Once you're in your iCloud storage, for those who are on the free plan, you are going to see just 5 gigabytes. You are trying to conserve the 5 gigabytes so that you don't get the message that storage is almost full. So you can just open your iCloud storage, and once you open it, you can just turn off the backup for this phone, or you will delete the backup that is stored on your iCloud. So once you come down here, you are going to see turn off and delete from iCloud. Doing this will save the space on your iCloud storage. If you have a PC, I would recommend doing the backup on your PC because your PC storage is free and you can just connect your phone and download the iTunes app and just do the backup. Additionally, these are the apps that are backing up to your iCloud storage. So if you see an app that you wouldn't need or it doesn't really bother you, so for instance TikTok, if I turn TikTok off, backup for TikTok on iCloud off, it's going to save me this amount of space. So you can just go through and delete the apps that you think that you don't need. The next thing to check is also to go to your Safari browser and clear browsing history or website data. So to do this, you go to app, and on the app you look for Safari. Once you find Safari, you open it and you scroll all the way down. You are going to see clear history and website data, and you open it. So you can clear this. It will surprise you the amount of space that you are going to clear on your phone. This is because whilst you are browsing, Safari downloads all the web data on your phone. The last thing to also check is to go into the messages app. If you're actively in chatting with iMessages, then I would recommend this for you. But if you are just doing text message, then you're not going to save yourself much space. So once you're in the message settings, you scroll down and you turn this feature, keep messages. So you can turn, when you open this settings, you can choose to keep the messages forever. So the reason why I said if you are chatting with iCloud message, I recommend this because normally if you are using iMessages, you exchange a lot of pictures and videos, and if you turn this feature to, let's say, 30 days, it's going to delete all the messages that are older than 30 days from your phone. But if you set it to 1 year, it is going to delete all the messages that are older than 1 year on your phone. You can choose to keep it forever if you want to save space, but if you're just using your messages app mainly for just text messages, it's not going to save you much space.
How do you prevent storage issues in the future? Now that you have cleared that space, let's keep it that way. Use iCloud alternatives like Google Photos or OneDrive to store your photos and videos without relying heavily on iCloud. Also, perform regular cleanups. Schedule time every month to delete old files, apps, photos, and videos that you no longer need. Thirdly, enable offload unused apps. To do this, go to Settings, App Store, Offload unused apps.
This automatically removes apps that you haven't used in a while. Lastly, monitor your storage. Regularly check your iPhone storage and iCloud settings to stay on top of things. And that is it. With these tips, you can free up storage on your iPhone and prevent it from filling up again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tech tips.